dive into the action. Understanding, plow into the fray. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're diving into an interesting phrase that paints a vivid picture with just a few words: plow into the fray. Stick around as we break down what this phrase means, how to use it in your conversations, and explore its origins. Whether you're a language learner or just love to enrich your vocabulary, this video is for you. The phrase, plow into the fray, combines two key concepts. To plow suggests moving forward with great force, similar to how a plow cuts through soil. The fray refers to a chaotic situation, often a fight, battle, or a heated debate. When put together, to plow into the fray means to enter a difficult or competitive situation with determination and energy. It's about taking action decisively, not hesitating to engage with the challenges ahead. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in everyday language. 1. In a corporate setting, despite the risks, the CEO decided to plow into the fray, leading the company into new, uncharted markets. 2. During a sports game, the team was losing, but the captain plowed into the fray, inspiring a dramatic comeback. 3. In personal growth, faced with criticism, she plowed into the fray, using the feedback to improve her skills. These examples show that plow into the fray can be applied in various contexts, from business and sports to personal development. Understanding where and how phrases originate can give us deeper insight into their meanings. The phrase, plow into the fray, merges agricultural imagery with the concept of battle. Plow comes from the Old English plog or plow, symbolizing hard work and breaking new ground. Fray originates from the Middle English fray, which means to frighten or to worry, evolving into a term for disturbance or fight. Together, they create a metaphor for vigorously tackling challenges, rooted in the history of language. And that's a wrap on Plow into the Fray. We hope this exploration helps you appreciate the depth and dynamism English language offers. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the stories and histories they carry. So, the next time you hear or use plow into the fray, you'll know exactly what it entails. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the beautiful world of English. See you in the next video.